must love stress.
Yeah, so mate.
It's the Williams House of Fire House.
Yeah, it's going to be like, yeah, it's always just kind of church up and out. Go sleep.
Good night, good night, good night.
Where am I going today?
You're trying to do the one with Bowser on Monday. Yeah. Do you hear about that?
Yeah. No, I don't. What's up?
So Monday's going to put the Monday. Olympians, like, she needs to literally 3 o'clock in the morning to go in, put her in the armbar and make her escape.
Pass.
Otherwise they kind of break her leg. She's still making her run laps. Oh mate, some of the stories I hear are crazy.
Yeah, knee up the middle. Get that arm out of there, Leon. Let go of that, let go of that.
Knee in the middle, Leon. Knee in the middle.
Let go of that collar, Leon.
Knee in the middle.
You're putting yourself in danger, let go.
Knee in. Sit. Knee in the middle, Leon. Break that guard. Knee in the middle, break the guard.
Knee up the middle, right on the tailbone. That's the other knee outside. I don't like your arm there, Leon. It's not doing anything. Let go of that grip.
Break that guard, Leon. Come on. Need to get out of the guard. Come on, wind that arm. Pass.
Yes, push that knee
Pass.
down.
Come on, push it in. Flick over. Come on.
Push that knee down, get your leg up.
Everything you got. Push down. Take the half. Drive it. All right. That's it. Pass. Yes, Leon, come on. Drill.
Yes.
Come on, Leon, that's it. Get the grip on your sleeve proper. Get a good grip. Pass the guard. Come on, that's it. Drill. Step forward. Come on.
Yes.
Come on. Flick the foot out. Come on, Leon. Pass that guard. Keep passing. Keep working. That's it, Leon. Well done.
Hold, secure position.
Stay. Be heavy. The other arm, Brett. The other. Well done, Leon. Come on, get it down, Leon. Come on. Keep scrambling, Leon. Come on, keep working. Keep down, drive forward. Well done, Leon. Well done, Leon. Charlie, you good, yes? What are you guys, mate? You?
Drop down, man. Get that away. Yeah, I'll be there.